and now I'm in Cabana Bay.
There were so many food choices at Cabana Bay. You could get pizza, burgers, chicken, salads. There were grab and go. You could take away subs. You could get pastries. And did I mention the refillable cups? If you bought a refillable cup, it didn't just include soft drinks and coffee. You could get slushies, and they were lovely.
This is Cabana Bay. It's a standard room. I am in Americano area. I haven't got my glasses on. I think it's Americana area, block 5 and 6. It's a standard room, but I have to say I am mightily impressed with this, and so are my friends who are very much in favour of Aventura. I may just have won them over with this one. We have a pool, beautiful, we'll show you that later. But this is a standard room, so I have, let's go back here. I think we'll go back here. So this is the entrance. So sorry, my trolley's still here, but I want to unpack and then I'll take that down. Wardrobe with your ironing board and your safe. It's quite a small safe, but it does mean a bathroom. So we've got some towels and a hairdryer. And some tissues and zest, which I'm pretty sure is an old-fashioned type soap. Nice wee sink area, blah blah blah. And then we have the shower room with a wee doodad to hang up my wet stuff. Shower and tub, as the Americans would call it. And there is a full-length mirror in the back of this one. And then we've got the room. Now, the room, I have 2 beds, which, well, it's just me. So I think I'll probably sleep on that one, I don't know why. A wee drawer. A phone. A very old style clock. Interesting. Look, I even got a wee notepad and pen. A wee city area with tables and chairs. And then your standard, just excuse my drinks. Got to keep hydrated. Got to keep hydrated in America. Just your same coffee machine that you get in Aventura, and bits and cups and bin. Oh yes, and then you've got a fridge. Again, just your standard kind of wee mini cooler, not fridge, cooler. Although my last cooler froze my cans of Coke. And then we have 4 drawers, which is very convenient for me because it's just me. I'm not sure if there was more than one of you whether that would be enough storage, to be honest, because there's nowhere to put anything under the beds. It's fine for me because in this room there's a space here for my cases. And one more thing, I have tested these beds and they do appear to be really quite comfortable. Now, there is one last thing that I haven't properly shown you. This is a standard room, right? And I honestly wasn't expecting any form of view. However, we were all quite blown away by this one. That's my view. I can see Hogwarts, I can see Velocicoaster, Dudley Do-Rights, I can see the Hulk, Doctor Dooms, I can see right along, the Aventura obviously, and then I can see right along to, can I even see the Starflyer? I don't know whether I can, no, maybe not, but like it's an awesome view. The location of my room was absolutely fantastic. If I walked out the left near my room, and if I turned right, this is where the pool was.
I also wasn't far from the diner, which sat just behind the pool. Absolutely fantastic. Behind this pool sat a lazy river. And there was a second pool at Cabana Bay which had a water slide. It was a really short walk from the pool to the diner. Cabana Bay also has its own entrance to Universal's water park Volcano Bay, just along this path.
See the walkway that's undercover? There's people, I hope you can see it. There's people walking up towards the yellow markers. That's where the buses drop you off and pick you up. How organised is Universal? I'm so impressed.